Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're at the Swanage car show, steam fair, and we're going to go on the railway, the steam railway here. So we're going to wander around, check out some stuff. It looks quite a good turnout. It's rained, but now the sun's out, so you'll get a taste of British car and steam show. So hope you enjoy. Okay, this is just a quick look at our location. So you got just countryside one side, and then over here we're in a field, and we have all these aren't the classic cars here, but this is the car park, and you know, just to show you where we're going to go. So we're going to wander up the rows here, row by row. So this is a row of Land Rover, all different years, from probably the 1950s to some more modern ones here. Hello. There's a nice one there. So here we have a trailer full of motorcycles. I guess that's one way to show them off. Nice. Sunbeam. Another Sunbeam, Royal Enfields, and a Francis Barnett. So they're all on the trailer there. We've got another row of motorcycles here. Triumph. Not sure what that is. Look like a moped. Honda 4. Little monkey bike, old BSA Bantam, and then there's a couple at the back here. And we got a Triumph there, and then a couple of mopeds. Okay, so we're walking down another row here. These are kind of British cars from the, I would say I've lost track, I'll be honest, but kind of like late 70s, early 80s. That one's an older one, an old Anglia, Ford Anglia. Mercedes. These are a Cortina there. A Morris Traveller. That's an earlier Cortina. That one's, I know that year, it's a 1973. And here we have an MG. We have a convertible here. Not sure what this is, I'll be honest. There's no badge on it. I'm probably going to say it's like a Daimler or something. You can correct me if I'm wrong. But this one's a Rover. That's a 1970. And then we have a nice Jaguar here. Wow, this is in good shape, this one. Really good shape. Actually, looking at that one, I correct myself. I think it's a Daimler. And then next to it we have a GT6 that's got quite a bit of patina on it. A Citroen, a little Austin, MGB GT. This one's a 1972. This one's in nice shape with a Webesto sunroof. Here we got some remote control tanks. They look pretty cool. Got a little steam engine there with the boiler going.
It's a strange thing, obviously as a kid we only had a coal fire.
Wow, that's really nice.
Yeah, the bag, yeah. They were massive sacks then, they're not allowed to lift that now, are they?
Oh, I know, of course, health and safety and all that.
Got something for sale there.
Lovely looking.
Oh, I think it's a trailer. We have a little Austin here. Got a lot of patina on it. I think these were 4 doors. I don't ever remember them being 2. It looks like they've shortened it up a little bit. So it's like a little custom car. Okay, on this one, my mistake. They do make 2-door. It just looked like this one is being modified a bit. This one's an Austin A40, 1966. It's got some side panels on to make it look like a kind of a van. And then next door to it we have a Morris, I believe. I've lost track, so you'll have to excuse me if I get the names wrong, but of some of the cars. If they don't have a badge on, I don't remember. An old Rover here. This one's a 1973. Another Rover here. This one is a 1971. This one's got the 3.5. Well, they did have the 3.5. This was the V8, the Buick engine in these. So we have a Riley there, 1959. Got an Anglia estate or wagon here. That's a 66. It's nicely done. Probably a different interior in it because it looks so good. And then next to it, another Anglia. So here we have a TR6. This one's a 1974. I'm just looking at the plates because I know on the cars on this area you can tell by the letter on the end of the number plate, the year. A nice looking car. Next to it, another Anglia. It looks like they're quite popular, quite a few around. An old Mini, that one's 1970. And then next to that one, another little Austin. They were 2-door. I thought they were 4, but they were 2. My mistake. Okay, here we have a Triumph Stag. Had one of those. Beautiful car. That one is a 1973. That was the same year as the one I had, actually in America. And this one is nice. Got the 4-speed with the electronic overdrive on it. Very nice car, these. Lovely transmission in them. Very smooth. V8, 3-litre V8 in these. Okay, we have a Morris 1000, that one's a 1970. And then here, wow, this is a Stanley. I believe these are steam cars. This is unbelievable. Look at the condition of that. Wow. Looks like it's just come out of the factory. Named Alice. What a stunning car. All the brass on it. That is a stunning, stunning vehicle. Okay, here we have a Triumph Herald. I had one of these also. Triumph Herald, convertible. These were a popular car back in the day. MG next to it. And then a TVR. I think they were fiberglass bodies, the TVR. Just looking in the MG here. Nice paint job on this actually, very, very nice. Webasto sunroof. That one is a 1967. Got a nice Volkswagen there. That one's in really nice shape. Really nice. That one's a 1965. Got an old Austin here. There's a mini moat driving around there. But this old Austin is, wow, it's so original. Still got all the original steering wheel. Looks probably the original interior. And then it's got the trunk on the back. Wow, that is really in good shape. I've got to move out of the way, this mini motor's coming in. Volvo wagon, Amazon wagon, same as mine in the US. Actually, this is in really good shape. I wanted a roof rack on mine just to put some surfboards and stuff, but never did it. So. But there we go, that we a Volvo Amazon wagon. That one's a 1966. Okay, another nice car here. This one's for sale. This one's a Rover, 1948. Doesn't say a price, so I can't really say how much it is. But there we have it, old Rover. And then next to it, an old Singer. That one's a 1965. Well, it's got a Singer on the front, but it's got minks on the sides, so it's probably a Hillman. I'm not sure. It's probably got mix and match of different body parts. And then here we got a Bug. It's a 68. And that one's for sale also. Army Jeep here, also for sale. Don't know the price of it, but boy, they got a lot of photos of it and stuff. That I guess they've renovated it through the years and all the information on it. Nice Rover. and next to it a Singer Vogue estate, which I would think would be probably pretty rare. If I remember, most of these were like just the cars. That's looking at the back of it. It's the back of the Rover. The Rover is a 1973. We have a Morris minor wagon here, and another Anglia here, Ford Anglia. 73 Mini and a Morris Minor. The smell from the steam is just incredible here. I know you guys can't smell it, but trust me, it's really nice. And this one's unusual. It kind of looks like it would be a Morgan, but it's a Lomax. Not sure about that one, never really heard of it before. Lomax. It says that it's a 1978 Lomax, but kind of on the lines of an old Morgan. A three-wheeler like a Morgan. So there we have it. And that's another shot of the steam engine that's really starting to get on the boil. Oh, the smell of the coal and everything is just incredible. Okay, here we have some old trucks or lorries. A Scammell, remember those? Really heavy duty vehicles, those. That looks like a kind of old army vehicle or something. Let's take a look inside they got the engine compartment available to look at. So that's that. Looks like it's seen better days. And then next to it is a Thames Trader. I remember those. I believe they were Ford. If I'm wrong, you'll have to correct me. The truck's called a Net. Pretty cool. The old Morris van there. There you go, Dad and Son. Weymouth Family Decorators. It says get Dad to do it. And next to it is an old Austin of England. That one's A registration, so it's 1963. And then next to it is another Volvo, like mine. That one's also a 66. Got the roof rack on. It is not the same car that I've just videoed, but that's what it's like inside. Nice seats in that one, nice interior. I never got the front seats done in mine, but I might do eventually. Got a TR6 here. This one's a 74. This one is in not so good a shape as that other one. Got rust on the back wheel arches there, or the back panel, and British Racing green, but obviously still drivable. The weather in this country is not good on cars. This side is like army vehicles. So there's all different kinds of army vehicles, from Land Rovers to Jeeps, trucks, all different kinds of things. So that's the army vehicle side, even old army bicycles. We have another Riley there. That one looks like it's pretty sporty with the wheels and that. Giant Stag there. That one is a 1972. And then we got an old Ford there. Wow, that's pretty cool. Not sure what that is. It's right-hand drive. So, in good shape. Ford Model T. No, it's not a Model T. It's a Tudor. But yeah, I'm a bit lost, I'm gonna be honest. But pretty nice. Okay, this one we're coming up on is a Morgan. This one's probably an original Morgan, this one. Might have some information on the year and everything. But wow, look at that. Like, it's got a matchless engine in, V-twin. Really nice. And next to it, an Anglia. That is a 1966. The Ford Capri. A Morgan. And a little little Austin van. Swanage Railway on it. That's where we are actually. We're at the Swanage Railway. Here we have a big army vehicle. Boy, they were well built. Look at that. Massive.
You know, to start building crocodiles. And
here we have like a row of like model army vehicles down here. From tanks to
that's right. That was the first
regular army vehicles. So they look like the real thing, to be honest.
They're the only one around the world that
So a whole row of them here. These are all remote control, right down to the kind of Jeeps at the end here. A German vehicle there.
That one's about 110 kilos.
So yeah, there we are.
It does.
So here we have like kind of old gypsy type truck here, and then they do wood carving. So they got hedgehogs and stuff like that. And owls. There's a nice owl. Just to give you a £165, which is about 100, getting on for $200 US. So that's not too bad. Okay, we're going to go and check out these old steam engines here. The sound is amazing. It's, to me, so relaxing. So they've got them different sizes that are running here. A little one there. The guy's working on one there. There's one there. That one's driving a bunch of stuff. So it's got like a drill press going. And then we have a really nice one here, pumping water. Another one here. Amazing. Over on this side we got some old tractors. There's some little mini kind of dozers here. Ransoms. They used to make like all kinds of building equipment that would carry, like this one here, little a little dumper on tracks, and they had little old diesel engines in the back. Got one here, turning a barrel, only fires every so often. We got another one here. This one is a 1948 1.5 horsepower. We've got one here driving Kermit and Miss Piggy, and pretty cool too. It's nice that they've got them actually driving stuff, like this one's pumping water. Wow, look at that, 101 years. I'm with my cousin today, she's holding up the tape for me. Thank you. Okay, this one here is powering all these lights. This is a Lister, and there we go. Shows you all the old circuit board there. That's a nice one. That one is 1910. Wow. Just so relaxing. Shows you all of that. Okay, this is a shot from the other end of the field here. So just to give you an overview of all the stuff that's going on. Okay, I miss these motorcycles here. This is a Norton Commando here, and a Norton, probably a Norton Atlas here. Okay, we're just about done with this, but I just wanted to go over here and give you a shot of an old Citroen here. That's a pretty old car. So that one's not quite so old, but another Citroen. Okay, we've been around the steam show here and the classic cars. So now we're going to wander over to the steam railway and take a trip on the old steam train. So we'll do some video of that. So I hope you enjoyed the steam show, and we will talk soon. We are on our way to the steam trains to the station, but I just saw this old Bedford here, Bedford truck. This is a 1953. It's in really good shape.